Prompt engineering is a technique used in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing to generate high-quality text responses. It involves creating a set of prompts or examples that an AI model can use to generate new text responses. To understand prompt engineering, let's take the example of a chatbot. A chatbot is an AI program that can interact with humans using natural language. To create a chatbot that can answer a variety of questions, you need to train it on a large dataset of examples. However, it's not practical to provide examples for every possible question a user might ask. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Instead of providing examples for every possible question, you can create a set of prompts that cover a broad range of topics. These prompts are designed to elicit a variety of responses from the AI model. For example, you might create prompts like, "What's the weather like today?" or "How do I make a cake?" These prompts can be used to generate a wide range of responses, from simple weather reports to complex cake recipes. To utilize prompt engineering in your career and get high-paid jobs, you need to have a strong understanding of natural language processing and machine learning. You also need to be skilled in creating effective prompts and selecting the right models to generate responses. Many companies are looking for AI engineers and data scientists who have expertise in prompt engineering to create chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI-powered applications. In summary, prompt engineering is a powerful technique that can help AI models generate high-quality text responses. By mastering prompt engineering and natural language processing, you can open up many high-paid job opportunities in the rapidly growing field of AI. 10 points of learning prompt engineering. 1. Understanding the basics of natural language processing. 2. Familiarity with different types of AI models and their capabilities. 3. Knowledge of how to design effective prompts that elicit desired responses. 4. Ability to collect and pre-process large datasets of examples for training. 5. Expertise in selecting and fine-tuning pre-trained models for specific use cases. 6. Understanding the trade-offs between model performance and computational resources. 7. Ability to evaluate the quality of generated responses and make adjustments as necessary. 8. Familiarity with best practices for testing and deploying AI models in production. 9. Knowledge of how to monitor and optimize model performance over time. 10. Familiarity with ethical considerations and potential biases in AI-generated content. Pros of prompt engineering. 1. Enables AI models to generate high-quality, contextually relevant responses. 2. Reduces the need for large amounts of training data. 3. Saves time and resources by allowing for more targeted training. 4. Can be used in a variety of applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and content generation. 5. Provides greater control over the types of responses generated by AI models. 6. Can improve user satisfaction by providing more accurate and helpful responses. 7. Enables rapid prototyping and iteration in AI model development. 8. Offers the potential for greater efficiency and productivity in many industries. 9. Can provide valuable insights into user behavior and preferences. 10. Helps organizations stay competitive in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Cons of prompt engineering. 1. Requires significant expertise in natural language processing and machine learning. 2. May require large amounts of computational resources to generate responses in real time. 3. Can be challenging to design effective prompts that elicit desired responses. 4. May be subject to ethical considerations and potential biases in AI-generated content. 5. Can be difficult to evaluate the quality of generated responses without human input. 6. Can be vulnerable to adversarial attacks or manipulation by malicious actors. 7. May not always provide the level of personalization or customization that some users require. 8. Can be costly to implement and maintain over time. 9. May require ongoing monitoring and fine-tuning to ensure optimal performance. 10. may not always provide a satisfactory user experience, particularly for complex or sensitive topics.